Okay. Alright, thank you very much. Please you can sit down, please. Thank you. I take our back on. I'm not supposed to clap for God, though. Not supposed to clap for God. Now, I don't know if you're here to dance just to entertain. There is difference between dancing to entertain and dancing your way to break through unlimited. Are you here to dance just to entertain? You're here to dance your way into glory, right? I don't know about you, but for me, as I dance like this, I dance sickness come out. I dance any level of poverty come out. Please, if you're here, make some noise for yourself. Tonight, this is just the beginning. Sister Osinachi is here. Hello. But she is not coming now. She will come pro now. Ladies and gentlemen, I always tell you, say, now God go bless the man of God when look me for where he say, me come away. Now, when I come away, when they complain here, say, we get pothole. I don't get pothole. Wait till you get here and I gallop. I drive for where they see pothole. So till I reach my house, I open my pot, I see hole. Over there now we dey dodge pothole. But the people want to go try talk to here. You see all those in a yellow fever. All those police when they control traffic, advise them. Not be every motor when you see, you go open the front door, enter. Come they say park. One day, I carry my dog. If you see my dog head, it be like this speaker. Only the dog teeth be like this pillar. If you see the dog tongue, it be like CCR rapper. And they drive towards that government house roundabout. The dog bend down for back, they chop something. The policeman no see well. Now he say I contravene traffic. He open front door, enter, pin him down, say park. And they try explain, give the oga, say oga no, I no contravene. He say park. As he dey shout park, the dog come stand up. Come put mouth for where ear dey. In there they shout park or I park you. As in they shout park. From the rear mirror, now you see the dog. Now you say, Papa me. I never stop the motor. I see they move. Now ask me, say, Oga, where they come from? I say, me and who? He say, you and your chairman for back. I say, where they come from mortuary? He say, hey, una go mortuary, what una go do? I say, we go see the policeman when the dog bites, die. As we talk, now the dog do. Now he say, oh God, why the dog do like that? I say, the dog, now so he do before he bites the police die. Now the dog do. Call licky ear. Now he say, oh God, do you know you are a very good driver? He say, can you just go? I am the person that is not a good policeman. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for yourselves. Hey. Tell your neighbor, say, Let me say, when I blow to the heart, I bet more than one verse, who they shine the light, I bet shine the light. You can sit down, ladies and gentlemen, please sit down. This is just the beginning. This is the beginning. You know, you get one song when Tikachi sing. Now my life, now I narrate for that song. When he sing, say, see what you've done for me. Now me, oh. Now my story in the talk, oh. On a more serious note, Marathon and one thing. You know, today, we go use worry pidgin English, we use anti-argument things, See, if you see me before, my neck long. So tell people ask whether they work for INEC. I don't day, nothing they happen. Now God go bless the man of God when say, oh, mini, go to worry. But when I come here, very first day, why I wear coats? I wear coats. Should have pad, they for able. Only me look mirror. When I see myself on mirror, I dodge. Oh, God can't bless me. You know, when God won't bless you, Daddy, when God won't bless you, you go use anything to bless you. I didn't one day my phone ring, I pick call. Grr, grr. He said, hello. One fine voice. He said, is that Ominimini? I said, yeah, this is Ominimini. He said, Ominimini, proceed to the embassy. You are to perform in London alongside Ababana and Owigri. But my mind, I say, me, worry boy, now I won't deceive. I cut the call. The call come again. He said, hello. Is that Ominimini? I say, yes. He said, please come to the embassy with your passport for visa. I carry my passport. I call Ababana and Owigri. We reach embassy, settle down. I don't know, say the woman when won't interview us, no one give us passport. He no one tell us. Now the woman look us. He say, hello. I say, hi. He say, we will ask you 2 questions in Dutch language. If you fail it, no visa. For my mind, I say, what it concern Dutch and London? I say, the devil is a liar. First person enter. Ababana, now they answer him. The woman say, Dutch language, 2 questions, you fail it, no visa. Ababana say, yeah, now they answer him. Zelu Lulu. Ababana say, The woman say 1. He answer the second one, Dunulu Palu. Ababana say, The woman say 2. Get out. Second person enter, Owigri. Now they answer the same thing. When he reach my turn, the woman say, next. Now I enter. When the woman look my eye, now I say, what is your name? I say, Ominimini. He say, Ominimini. I say, Ominimini. No spoil him. The woman look my passport. He say, where are you from? I say, worry. The woman remove her phone, keep. Now she asks me. He said, 2 questions, Dutch language, you fail it, no visa. I say, madam, ask me. Now my own words pass. The woman use both cough and kata. He said, I say, madam, She say, 1. Second question, you fail it, no visa. I say, man, this time I'm ready. I say, God, this London one won't go. This woman no go deny me this visa. Something told me, I say, my son, answer her. Second question, the woman say, to fear. Now I look the woman, I know say if I say she go reject me. Now I use both Urobo, Ijo and Yoruba. I say, madam, when we walk now the woman say, I say, madam, write down 1-1. Who be fool? Me. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you this night is just the beginning. Hello? Hello? Not be joke. The Bible says, no matter how you look, all things bright and beautiful, my Lord God made them all. No matter how you look, there's a department for you in church. If you are tall, people of God, now ushering job go fit you. Because you go there front, they see people when they walk in here for back. If you are beautiful, ladies and gentlemen, you need to do for choir. Hello? Even if you know sabi sing, just stay there, they wave hand. Hello? Then if you are short, people of God, na cameraman, no. Now you go to give pastor microphone, no need to bend down. Then people of God, if you are not too good looking like myself, you know, those people that we are fearfully made like myself, bros, just go join security unit. Or crowd control unit. Or you go join prayer warrior. No need to tell devil say anything, just look and say, devil, oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, to take us further in this ministry, ladies and gentlemen, can we live it up for the wonderful songstress, Sister Jane?
You see that when they do now, eh? That's when they do now, eh? I feel do am. No, I dey do am. But now when I dey bath, no say if you dey bath, if you dey sing, you be like say you sabi sing. You get one day where I dey bathroom, dey bath, I dey sing for my mind there. I be Steve Crown. Before I bath come out, my neighbors gather. They say, "We think say you dey faint." Children of God, to take us further, touch your neighbor. Tell us, say, no sleep, oh. Talk to the other guy. Tell us, say, no go sleep, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, to take us further, can we please put our hands together as we welcome the virtuous worship dancers? Please, a wonderful applause for them as they come. Wonderful applause for our. Thank you, man. God bless you. All right, when they minister now, I see somebody wearing about my neighbor for compound. That my neighbor, his name na Emeka. Emeka don't go church, so say he come out. I don't know, he carry a mentor another level. Greet Emeka. Emeka, good morning. Go say Reze Rapapa. Emeka, how are you? Rezi Gaga. Emeka they wash clothes. Tell her say Emeka you don't wake ratata zeze. One day I follow Emeka go their church. For their church they use POS they pay offering. Emeka they agree to my enter church. Agree to say Emeka good afternoon. They say Raza Rezeze Rapapa. Emeka they dance. What shall bring POS? Now he put in card. The answer say how much? He say Rezeze Va. Now then give a card. Emeka did. I don't know whether which kind of spirit in there. They do rezi fata pakatata. They tell us, okay, put the amount. They make a press 2. Go press 000. Now 2,000 if you want put to go press 00. Then they give a make a they say rezi. I think they dance, they do rezi kapata. Emeka get a lot. Emeka looking for 2 million. Now look the guy say Ra Zeze. Now the guys are saying wait happen. He say see and don't use me play. When they do transfer for this church. Ladies and gentlemen, to take us further. I don't know, no sleep, oh. Tell your neighbor, say no sleep, oh. Make blessing not go past you. All the way from Canaan land, ladies and gentlemen. You know, you get people when they say if you don't take close to people like the Papa, you go they carry their anointing, they work out for body. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Canaan land to minister to us in high praise. Please join me as we welcome Minister in February. Please join me. Put your hands together for that. You see that when they do now, eh? That's when they do now, eh? I feel do am. No, I dey do am. But now when I dey bath. No say if you dey bath, if you dey sing, you be like say you sabi sing. You get one day where I dey bathroom, dey bath, I dey sing for my mind there. I be Steve Crown. Before I bath come out, my neighbors gather. They say we think say you dey faint. Children of God, to take us further, touch your neighbor. Tell us say no sleep, oh. Talk to the other guy. Tell us say no go sleep, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, to take us further, can we please put our hands together as we welcome the virtuous worship dancers? Please, a wonderful applause for them as they come. Thank you for blessing us all the way from Canaan land. All right, we just start. We're just starting. In the next 2 days, we'll finish. Just give us 2 days, we'll round up. Right now, we still have my judges. You're still here. My judges are still here, right? All right, we're giving you Tehillah, and we want to take it to another level. They are getting ready to come minister to us. I know they like if I talk, maybe they play that thing. You know why? They make me the one, you know, they want kabash. Hello. And so much, you know, when they do this, our indigenous songs, yeah. I they love my country. I don't know about you. I know they operate for Nigerian economy. And they operate in the heavenly economy. So I don't know what they talk about, say economy bad. Honestly, you know, the white people, they always make us feel say their country better pass our own. Well, now the way we see ourselves. My friend Mr. Svensson came from Sweden. You can imagine ordinary Sweden here. He came down to Owerri and he saw me. He said, "Omini. I say, He said, "Please, can you take me around town? Let me see how beautiful your country is." I said, "No wahala. Enter moto." Mr. Svensson sit down for moto at the drive. Would they go now carry and pass Bank Road? Mr. Svensson see that first bank for Bank Road. Now he call me. He say, "Oh, mini." I say, He said, "How long does it take to build this big bank in your country?" Me, I don't want to lie. Now I tell him, I say, "Well, now 2 years." I see they drive. Now Mr. Svensson look me. He say, "Well, in my country, just 2 weeks." For my mind, I say, "Okay, you know what, now you won't catch me mugu, me worry boy. I go show you today." I go carry Mr. Svensson. I know won't pass there before, but now bad road, pothole make me pass that place. I see that church when they control that Assumpta Cathedral. You see the church now in shout. He say, "Oh my God, oh mini." I say, He said, "This church is big." I say, "Yes." He said, "How long does it take to build this big church in Nigeria?" Me, I won't lie. Now I tell him, I say, "Bros, now 2 weeks." I still they drive. Now he look me. Now he form my hand. They say, "Oh my God, in my country, it's just 2 days." Me, worry boy. Hey, I say, me. Pata na bracket first. Worry no fi carry last. I can purposely carry and pass front of Concord. As we they drive, they approach Concord. Now he look me. He say, "Oh, mini." I say, He said, "This hotel is big." I say, "Bros, now Concord be that." He said, "How long does it take to build this big hotel in your country?" Now I look at him. I say, "Bros, when I they pass here just now, Concord no day." Oh. Now he look me. He say, "How long ago?" I say, "Bros, 2 seconds ago." Honestly, Oyibo no better pass us. Now we just I don't know what we do ourselves. There some time ago, there was an embargo placed on Nigerians not to come to their foreign country. I don't know what happened. They say Boko Haram not do this, then do that, this and that. I brought that every country gets its own wahala. Abi, 3 of my friends, Emeka, Chinedu, and Obinna, they arrange their papers complete. Now they enter London. People of God, as they reach airport for London, the lady where they check their paper, you don't know, say they be from Nigeria, begin check. See them, see London, the day airport for London. Now the woman asked them, he say, "What is your name?" The first one say, "My name is Emeka." The woman look at me, say, "You are from Nigeria?" The guy say, "Yes." You know, look, you know, waste time, begin stamp, poo, stamp reject for him. He say, follow that plane, you are going back to your country. Emeka, they cry, they go. The next person, that one reach there, Obinna say, "Where are you from?" They say, Obinna say, "Be from Nigeria." The woman begins stamp, poo. Obinna own 9 words pass, space finish for him passport. They stamp in face. And they tell him, say, "Follow your brother." When the last guy reached there, see what thing happened to him brothers. Now they answer me, say, what is your name? That one say, my name is Chinedu. And they answer and say, Mr. Chinedu, where are you from? Chinedu no say, if he talk say Nigeria, they go deport him. Chinedu deny Nigeria. He say, I am from Algeria. And the woman look at him, the woman come and say, are you sure? Chinedu say, now you won't tell me where I come from. I say, I be Algeria. The woman knows, the woman walk cash Chinedu Mugu. Now he say, Mr. Chinedu, he say, can you sing the Algerian national anthem? Chinedu no say he no know him. He no say the woman no know him. Chinedu say, yes, I can sing it. The woman say, come on, sing it. Chinedu drop him back when he carry. He hear native, talking the native. Put hand for chest. Ibiri o, ibiri kambiri. Ibiri o, ibiri kambiri. Oyazo no wazo, no wagaba to yombuna. Ibiri o, ibiri kambiri o. For the end of the song, now I put Algeria. People of God, not be this clear. I do want to say, Mr. Chinedu, you're welcome to Algeria. Hello. Oh, but not be joke. When I first look myself, Judah, are they ready? All right, they are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, please, for the second choir members that will be performing tonight for my judges to judge. You saw the first one, right? Tehila. They did well. Please join me, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome the second ministration group, Judah. Please, a wonderful applause for them as they come. Thank you. When I suppose clap for them now, it's not easy. You know, say, this dance, you should see this dance. Not be everybody, oh. Not be everybody. Are they the worst one? That's like who they match banga. Honestly, I come over here, bro. They play that in here. If you finish, send me your account number here. I come over here. They see say doctor na doctor, carpenter na carpenter, photographer na photographer. For worry, medical doctor na weather. One day they cut our lights. One of my guys, where they call Onos na cripple only in our hunchback. Never they cut our lights. Onos they pass. Now Onos coming. So many. Waiting never they do. I said they cut our lights. How much na they owe? I said na 12,000. He said leave them make the cut and later just give me 1-2 man. Go connect them back for now. Now so I leave Nepa cut the lights for night. Unos come hold plier for mount, no hand to hold plier. He said carry the ladder, put on there. We can put the ladder. Unos come climb. He connects the light. 2 weeks later, Nepa come. They say I've been at 32,000. Knows the past. Now ask me so many how far aside they say they won't cut and say, hey, you say you know now as usual now. Just give me 500, I'll connect and leave them. Now we leave Nepa cut them. Night knows come, hold plier, put plier from out. You say put the ladder now, put the ladder. Now we put the ladder. Now me they shine touch for them. I hold ladder, they shine touch. And so knows hold the, you know we hand glove, no we anything. I see him hold this thing. Now children shout, up Nepa! What do we hear for the ladder now? Poof! We see light. I can't shake the ladder. The ladder light. I can't they call him. Oh no, so. Oh no. Oh no, it's not the ladder. I can't begin trace oh no, follow wire. Oh no, so. 3 days later, the 3 streets away from our street, Onos they forgot they shout Milko. After the second week, Nepa they cut our lights. Onos cross road, go the other side, throw away face, they pass. Now me come answer say, boss, you no connect like this. Say I resemble NEPA for your eye. You know well. Know your job. Alright, instrumentalists, are you guys ready? It's okay. It's okay. Now you see the way they answer me now, me. Now say they answer person. Now how many of you know say gospel get ready? Una know abi? Gospel get reggae. And to create the beats, you know they hard. It's very easy. Now their level they call where's the bass guitarist? Who among you they don't do? Now they know they talk. Now their instrument they take answer. Just watch. Bass guitarist. Now the thing they come small. They are to arrange reggae beats. Where's the keyboardist? There's something you play for me now, eh? Just do. Are you there? Just. Continue. Now so reggae beats they start. Now. Okay, hold on. Continue, my brother. Now, in own, they come small. You know they take time. They do one. Now the next person, now the other guy, when they play that guitar, my brother, just play anything. Play anything when you own, you don't get problem for your life. Now they don't cook small. But you know the person when he own, they mad me pass. Bass guitarist, just play anything when they your head. When you feel enter this way they play now, just play them. Anything. Now the person when he own the head, no they ever normal. Since when they see him, they jump up and down. Now the drummer, he go play something like pra, 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 pra. Are you ready? A one, a two, let's go. Reggae beat never sets. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands for the instrumentalists, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, we will. I don't know. My blood is hot. I need cold water. Now, if you're here, I think it's time for us to dance a bit, alright? Okay, the instrumentalist, right? Ladies and gentlemen, please let's leave it up for the instrumentalist.
Blessed in the name of Jesus Christ.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Camera, I beg you, go focus, come here, get what I want to do. Me and my guy go night vigil. All through the night vigil, the guy sleep. As we reach there, he sleep. And for morning, then they tell me what happen. For the night vigil, you know, if people dey church, man tell you the way sleep till they come. And if you and your guy there, you answer say you dey sleep. You go tell you say no, I don't dey sleep. Oh. When the sleep won't come, he go first take you. When he won't take you, you go first go like this. When he take you, then you can't put your eye, you can't do. And once they open their eye, they go to lick tongue. They go, you can't do, you go feel like say you know they sleep, you can't take you again. Maybe when he take you, person go can't touch you for back. Say, guy, you dey sleep, you go say no, me. I know they sleep. You get one guy for one church where I go. That time they call people where he go donate money. They don't know say they don't call reach 500,000. As the guy wake up, now, people stand up. Now himself stand up. Now they say, please meet that man. Let him drop his own. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're here, if you sleep, maybe at that time now angel want to drop your own blessing. You get the way women they take makeup these days. You see that thing when they wear for face makeup. I call the fear. You know, say you fit inside church as a girl, your passport for heaven no makeup. God can't give angel your picture to come locate you for inside church. When you reach where you there, you go see, you go say no, this not be the person. We leave you. Women are very wonderful people. All the women in the house, please a round of applause for yourself. Women they try. I don't understand why man go won't understand woman. The Bible say, the Bible not tell you to understand woman. They say love man, love your wife. You cannot understand them. You know, say we men they feel saying that we be the head of the house, so not lie. To an extent. Imagine Adam sleep. God remove him rib, create woman, follow woman discuss. The Mongo Park see the store. Now when he finish, now he come wake up. Hey, yeah. Or you stand up. Women, they are wonderful people. So with their tender, that's right, it is W, warming, welcoming. They're everything wonderful. So please, if you know you have a mother and a mother brought you to life, please a round of applause for your mom, either living or dead. So that please get ready, so that if you're ready, let me know. Why I say make una clap for mama? And I got my friend house which day. He's speaking of 4 years, sit down for parlor. They play with iPad. When I even enter, as I enter out, the pikin no come out to it. Still they say, Uncle, welcome. Still they press iPad. When we small, they don't born you well. Our iPad now slate. I mean, if I no slate, now be our iPad. My mama, for our house then, we not get remote. My mama I now be our remote. Then my mama go look you. You know the way we come out. These days, if you give pikin cake, you go say, Mommy, look at cake, I've eaten it. When we small, they give you cake, you can't chop them. My mama go just tell you one thing for you. Sure you chop them. Wait more, reach house. You get one day where they give me cake now, they give me cake. So me need you go chop cake. I say, now they give me the cake. As I collect them, my mom asked me that question when on the reply. So me need you not go chop cake. And when he answer the question, you call answer, you call look, you go chop cake now, be. Now me look my mama I can't tell the auntie. I say before I say but now I say And all mothers, I don't know how they go the training. You get ready they knock, get ready they hit you here. Hey, una mama do am. And the one when it was past, my mama go just put your head here. You go put your head here. You go come knock am, pop. As you knock am, she go release you. You go come run, go they go cry. Now she go call you say, hey sis, come here, sit down here. Now after they hear that English, if I hear him, you go see. Till today, we not see. All right, thank you very much. Please, for the third ministration, or the choirs, the third ministration, my judges, they are coming. Please put your hands together for Toda as they come for their ministration.